Most travel stress isn't bad luck. It's preventable mistakes. Today I'm sharing 10 travel mistakes that quietly make trips harder and what to do instead. 1. Overpacking. If you can't comfortably lift your suitcase, it's too heavy. Plan outfits in advance. Choose versatile pieces. Smart packing creates freedom. 2. Checking a bag. When you don't need to lost luggage, long baggage claim waits, extra stress, a well-packed carry-on can eliminate all of that. 3. Wearing the wrong travel outfit. Airports are cold, planes are colder. Layers win every time. Comfort beats fashion. 4. Not researching arrival or embarkation timing. Arriving too early or too late creates unnecessary chaos. Know your check-in window. Plan ahead. 5. Ignoring airport layout. Large airports require strategy. Know your terminal. Know your connection time. 6. Not packing an essentials pouch. Medications, chargers, toothbrush. Always keep your essentials accessible. 7. Booking tight connections. 30 minutes is not a strategy. Give yourself margin. 8. Overplanning. Every hour. Travel isn't a race. Leave room for rest and discovery. 9. Not asking cruise staff questions. Your cabin steward can make your stay smoother, but only if you communicate. 10. Choosing fashion. Overfunction. Travel is endurance. Dress for movement, comfort, and confidence. Smart travel isn't about doing more. It's about doing better. Preparation creates peace.